Good afternoon. My name is Onoyemi Hakim Ademola. Today we'll be looking at Python for beginners, and under Python for beginners we'll be looking at variables, strings, and data type. What is variable? Variables are those words you created yourself to represent a value. What do you mean by a variable? This shows that what? Message is a variable, and you agree it is what we call the what? The value. Now, print as a statement, print is used to declare the information to the output devices. So print here means what? To print out the messages that we have here. So at the end of the day, the output of this code will give us "you are great" as an output. Now we said variables are words we created on our own to represent values. Now, what do we mean by the values? For example, we want to display a variable and also the value. Now, in Python, we write messages. For example, we have messages, that is message equals "you are great." Now, this message here represents a variable. This is what we call a variable, and this other side here, which is the other side, is called the value. Now, we have a print statement. The purpose of this print statement in this short code is to display the message out to the output devices. So in that case, the print statement will display the information, the value of this message. Then, therefore, the output of this information will be "you are great." Now, let's look at string. What is a string, or what do we call a string? A string are word bounded in either double quote or single quote, that is inverted quotes. When you have a word in quotes, those words in Python programming, they are called strings. Now, a string can be concatenated and can be used any way you want it. You can concatenate it in any form by increasing the letter, the first letter, or you capitalize all letter, or the small letter, or any other ones. Thereabout, this information are what we need as a beginner. You must know how to use your string. You must be able to identify string from variable, and also you must be able to identify your data types. So in that case, we are going to look at data types. Data types, these are numbers used in operations. Operations such as what? We have the long int, we have the short int, we have the float, and we have the integer. The int are the numbers without decimal number, while the float are the numbers with decimal number. Then, after that, we look at the operators. What are operators? Operators are the symbols, the basic symbols that we use to carry out the operations between the integers and the floats or other data types. For example, addition serves as what? Plus, while subtraction is represented with the symbol sign minus, and the division is represented with slash, while the multiplication is represented with asterisk. Then if you want a square, then the square is being represented with what? With two asterisks, and also we have the carat sign, which represents the raised to power also. All these are what we need in what we call basic programming. So I believe today we've been able to gather one or two information as pertaining the fundamental, the beginning of Python programming. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.